Hi there, students. Serpentine. Okay, serpentine, an adjective. Let's see, this comes from the word serpent, a snake. So something that's serpentine, yeah, an S, the letter S is serpentine. Okay, serpentine, something that twists backwards and forwards like a snake. The river went backwards and forwards following a serpentine route, yeah, twisting backwards and forwards, wandering from side to side. We followed the serpentine path that took us through the forest. Okay, so it's something that's winding backwards and forwards, yeah, it comes backwards and forwards. Then you can use this adjective serpentine to mean something that's complicated. Yeah, it's it's not obvious. So the logic he used was extremely serpentine. Yeah. He came to the conclusion by very serpentine logic. Notice as well, you can use this word serpentine meaning something that's tempting. Yeah, it's like the snake tempting Eve to bite the apple. Yeah, so the serpentine allure of the big city. Yeah, the serpentine power of advertising. So snake-like, yeah, and that's why you can use it in that way. It's something that's treacherous, it's evil but very tricky and very subtle. Okay, so serpentine, something that coils backwards and forwards, yeah, like a snake. So serpentine, something that's very attractive but maybe rather evil and going to draw you in and trick you. And then serpentine, something that goes backwards and forwards. Yeah, it's not a straight path, and therefore, metaphorically from that, complicated as well. Serpentine as well can actually be a type of rock, yeah, or a mineral. I think asbestos is a type of serpentine. Hydrated magnesium silicate. As well, if you've ever been to Hyde Park in London, there's a great big lake in the middle of Hyde Park, and that's called the Serpentine, or the Serpentine River. Originally it was a river, but as London has been drained more and more, they now it's now a lake, and they fill it from wells that I think artesian wells that are underneath it. Okay, so serpentine. So you use this shape, for example, the serpentine front of a building, or the serpentine shape of an old-fashioned sofa, or a serpentine buffet. I'm going to go for buffet. Or a serpentine sideboard. Okay, so it moves, the shape moves back and forward. Okay, so the serpentine front of something. Okay, so let's see, formality. Yeah, this is definitely on the formal side. I think I would give it 6.5 in formality. I don't think I would use it informally. Use it semi-formally, speaking or writing, or a semi-formal writing. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin serpentinus, serpent-like, or serpens in Latin, a serpent or a snake. Okay, so serpentine, having the characteristic of a snake. Yeah, his character is very serpentine. Yeah, crafty and deceitful. This criminal is known for his serpentine behaviour. a serpentine shape going backwards and forwards. The serpentine passages of the cave curving in alternate directions, sinuous, tortuous, winding, a winding path. And then serpentine, a mineral, and but it's got to be the serpentine, the lake in the middle of Hyde Park. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Serpentine.